Mute. Aditya, mute yourself. Aditya Sanap, mute yourself. चलो लिखना है हमें. Present the screen. Great circle. The largest circle inside a sphere is known as great circle. Okay, for example, suppose this is the sphere. Okay, so if I intersect the sphere by a plane over here, and if I'll get circle like this, okay, this is not a great circle. I can find one more circle like this, whose radius is more than this. Okay, so tell me where I'll get the largest circle. What the condition so that I'll get the largest circle?
It should contain the center of sphere.
Correct. That is, it will divide the sphere in two equal halves. Right. So this is the largest circle. Okay. So great circle. Try down. Great circle. So now tell me, right? The great circle. Write one statement. The great circle divides sphere in two equal parts. Okay, then one. What about center and radius of the great circle? Center and radius of great circle is same as what? Same as center and radius of sphere. This is okay. But how we can find whether the circle is great circle or not? कैसे check कर सकते हैं? Suppose we don't know center and radius of the circle. Now how we can check whether it is a great circle or not? See, suppose I have a circle over here. Okay, suppose intersection of sphere and plane is a circle, and here it is. This is the center of sphere, this is the center of circle, right? This is the point Q as usual we consider. This diagram we know very well. Okay, here we have the center of sphere. Where is the center of circle? Same. So see, in this case, when the circle is not a great circle, is the center of circle lies on the plane? Center of circle? Yes. Here the center of circle I am saying, P is the center of circle. P, center of circle in both the case. Okay. So in both the case, whether it is, just 1 minute. In both the case, whether it is a great circle or small circle, doesn't matter. The center of circle lies on the plane. But now I am asking center of the sphere. See where the center of sphere is. Is it on the plane? No. Is it on the plane? Yes. Wait. Center of sphere, very important. Don't consider as a circle. Center of sphere lies on plane corresponding circle is a great circle. Hope you are getting it. Corresponding circle is a great circle. Getting everyone? Okay, now write an example. Check whether I have to change the page, 34 now. One minute. कसं करता येईल हे? Okay. Check whether following circle is great or not. Okay, so x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 9 equal to minus 9, sorry, minus 9 equal to 0, and give me 1 minute. हो बोला ना.
पहिलं 3 ला यायला होऊ द्या, 2 ला ह्याचं फाईलचं आहे, सेंट्रल लेवलच्या फाईलचं चेकिंग.
ते मलाही काय तो घेऊन यायला सांगितलं फाईल.
काही फाईलमध्ये सगळ्यांना फॉर्म भेटायला लागतो. ते या थोडा
I10 I16 त्यानंतर मग ते प्रिन्सिपल सर चेक करणार आहेत.
I15 I16 ह्याला खाली आला मी चेक करा.
ठीक आहे.
त्यानंतर 3 ला यायला सांगितले. त्यानंतर
ते करतो की इन्सेंटचं करतो काय प्रॉब्लेम. तुम्ही 3 ला जाणार आहे.
3:30 पर्यंत 8:20 ला पाहिजे.
ठीक आहे ना.
नाही करून ते करून टाकूया म्हणजे पुढच्या टर्मला घ्यायला.
तुम्ही सांगाल तसं एकदा लेक्चर.
तुम्ही किती वाजता लेक्चर सांगणार?
आता हे किती वाजता सांगते बघा.
राईट. लक्षात राहण्यासारखं नाहीच आहे.
इक्वेशन ऑफ स्फियर 2 आहेत ना तिथे आज बुधवार. x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z minus 9 equal to 0. Now,
3 वाजता.
comparing with x square.
इन्सेंटिव्ह शीट सरांची घ्यायची आहे ना.
हो.
बघते मग एकदा क्रॉस चेक करून ठेवते, नुसतं भरायचं नाही.
2u 2v 2w minus 6, so u equal to minus 1, v equal to 2, one minus 2 3, 1 minus 2 3, and radius of sphere. Radius of sphere. One plus 4 plus 9 plus 9. Square root of 23. Now equation of plane is now we want to check whether center of sphere is on the plane or not. Center of sphere 1 minus 2 3, that is x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2, z equal to 3. Please substitute that. 1 minus 2 plus 3 equal to 2. 2 equal to 2. Since center of sphere lies on plane, it is a great circle, and therefore I'm getting a call. Okay, no problem. So this is the sphere, this is the plane, their intersection is a circle, and what we know about the circle now? Great circle. So write down. Radius of sphere, थोड़ा सा कम स्पेस है, equal to radius of circle, दोनों सेम है ना, both of them same, root of 23. I'm audible ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, नहीं तो ये होगा कि मैं बोलता रहूँ और कहीं और को. Center of sphere. Have you understood this example? Center of circle. और क्या है ये? 1 minus 2 3. 1 minus 2 3. I have less space over here. It's more difficult for me to write. Okay. Hope you might have understood the example. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. We'll go ahead. This was page number 33, I think. जो भी है. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Third, change the page. Orthogonal spheres. Okay, so see, थोड़ा समझना है हमें. So I have one sphere like this. Then I have one more sphere over here. They are intersecting each other, having different radius. So then at the point of intersection, say point P, right? The intersection will be a circle. Huh? So at the point of intersection, what I'll do now? I'll draw the radius. This is the radius. This is the center of another sphere. This is the radius. Okay. This is the center C1. This is the radius R1. This is the center C2. This is the radius R2. Okay. Now, whenever this angle is 90 degree, na, then the spheres are said to be orthogonal. So, tangent to the two spheres at the point of intersection. Okay, they are C1P and C2P. An angle between the tangents is pi by 2. Then the spheres are said to be orthogonal. And if it is orthogonal, what we can write by Pythagoras theorem? By Pythagoras, what we can write? Distance C1, C2 equal to R1 square plus R2 square. This is 90 degree, na? Therefore, this is hypotenuse, right? So, hypotenuse square equal to R1 square plus R2 square. So, this is the condition of orthogonality. You can draw the diagram and then write out. Right. When angle between the two spheres at the point of intersection is pi by 2, the spheres are said to be orthogonal. Okay, then I done 1. When spheres are orthogonal, yes, what will happen? R1 square plus R2 square equal to distance C1 C2 square, provided we know center and radius, huh? But suppose we don't know center and radius, okay, so or, so this is the condition of orthogonality, R1 square plus R2 square equal to C1 C2 square. Now we are writing one more orthogonality condition. The right, consider two spheres. Start like this. Consider two spheres, S1 equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 equal to 0, and S2 equal to u2x v2y plus 2w2z plus d2 equal to 0. Run. Two spheres are orthogonal if u1 u2 plus 2 times v1 v2, थोड़ा सा आठवत नहीं बरकम रखें, जरा एक बार देखना पड़ेगा, लेकिन शायद गलत नहीं होगा। d1 plus d2 एक बार मुझे चेक करना पड़ेगा। I have to check it once. हाँ, एक बार चेक करना मुझे, 1 मिनट, give me 1 minute, that will be more than sufficient. So condition of orthogonality कहाँ पे मिलेगी? है ना यहाँ पे? तो u1 u2, हाँ सही है, करेक्ट। चलो एग्जांपल सॉल्व करते हैं। एक सॉल्व वन एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस टाइप। फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ स्फीयर थ्रू द सर्कल एंड कटिंग द स्फीयर ऑर्थोगोनली। चलो इसको सॉल्व करते हैं। लेट मी गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज। फाइंड द इक्वेशन, पेज चेंज किया है 35, थोड़ा सा फास्ट है। आई वांट टू स्टार्ट विद द कोन। yes, done. Find the equation of sphere through the circle x square plus, this is visible now, what I am writing visible na?
Yes,
या और
sir.
कुछ बड़ा लिखना है? And which intersect the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 3x minus 3y plus 3z minus 56 equal to 0 orthogonally. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बेटा। Equation of circle is, we'll start like this. Just 1 minute, huh? Sachin sir. सॉरी हाँ, काफी टाइम लिया आपका मैंने। हाँ, सो क्या करना है? हाँ चलो, रेडर इक्वेशन ऑफ required sphere, I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Containing,
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा ऑडिट चल रहा है अभी, so everyone is busy in that. Containing above circle is s plus lambda u equal to 0. चलो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं। माइनस है, okay, here you write equation number 1. Afterwards, after finding lambda, we have to substitute it here. Okay, so write comparing with x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 equal to 0. 2u1, 2v1, 2w1 and d1. So u1, ये तो इसको ऐसे ही रखते हैं, दिस इज ओके। ओके, रन द रिक्वायर्ड स्पीयर that is 1, is orthogonal to the sphere. We know equation of that sphere also. X square plus y square plus z square किधर गया? 3x minus 3y 3z minus 56 equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2 equal to 0 है ना. ये स्पीयर जो है, this sphere and the required sphere, they are orthogonal to each other. Sorry, ये नहीं, इधर है. They are orthogonal to each other. Therefore, they should satisfy that condition 2u1 u2 plus 2v1 v2 है ना, that condition. Okay, that we can use to find the value of lambda, and once we get the lambda, we'll substitute that in equation number 1. That's it. Okay, so 2u2 equal to 3, 2v2 equal to minus 3, 2w2 equal to 3, and d2 equal to minus 56. So u2 3 by 2, v2 minus 3 by 2, w2 3 by 2, d minus 56. Now I have to change the page. Hope you might have written up to this step. Now let me change the page. Can I change the page? Okay, 36 now. Using condition of orthogonality, right? So when two spheres are orthogonal, 2u1 u2 plus 2v1 v2 plus 2w1 w2 equal to d1 plus d2. Okay, so 2u1 is known. ए म्यूट कर राजा. अरे कौन है?
नाही काढावं काढतो.
2u1 is 2 lambda. फिर ये क्या है?
अक्षय
कौन है रे? कौन बोलते हैं?
मेत्रे.
अक्षय मेत्रे.
म्हणजे आधीच्या होते आमच्या इकडं. लॉकडाऊनच्या आधी
जाऊ दे, ऐकूया आपण आता काय करायचं. पर्याय नाही. अक्षय दादा बंद करा. And then d1, what the d1 is? D1 is on previous page, 5 lambda.
Oh.
Minus 1 minus 5 lambda. Now u2 3 by 2. Okay, next is I think minus 3 by 2, then 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2, and then this is minus 56, isn't it? Yes, simplify it. So we'll write like this: 6 lambda by 2 minus 9 lambda by 2 plus 12 lambda by 2 equal to minus 5 lambda minus 57. Simplified. So 9 lambda divided by 2. I'm taking 2 to other side. 9 lambda plus 10 lambda equal to 114. So lambda equal to 114 divided by 19. You can divisible hai kya? Is it divisible?
Yes sir, 6.
6. Okay, great. So lambda is known to us. It is 6, right?
Minus 6 is total lambda.
Correct. Absolutely. Substituting lambda in 1. So 1 was like this: x square plus y square plus z square plus 1. Sorry, minus 6, and it is 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. That's it. x square plus y square plus z square minus 12x 18y 24z plus 31. Something wrong? This is minus 1. 29. Please make the difference. This is the equation of sphere. Plus 29. Okay, this is all about the sphere. This was a big part, somewhat difficult also, but very interesting and very important. I'll say important. Whether to say interesting or not, don't know. Okay, let me start with the next part. Now we are starting with the cone. Got on everything? Chalo. Let me start. Right, cone. Ice cream cone. Right, ice cream cone is one type of cone. There are many cones. For example, चलो screen देखना है. Let me start the video. फिर presentation stop करना पड़ेगा. I'm visible now? Visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the paper, huh? So I'm converting that into cone. I don't know it very well. थोड़ा सा difficult है. This is the cone. ये cone है. ठीक है. Now see, usually what we consider ना, cone means the ice cream cone only. It is not so, huh? So this curve is there ना, continuous curve is there. This is known as guiding curve. Okay, उसको guiding curve बोलते हैं. So the guiding curve may be circle, maybe ellipse also like this. Maybe different from ellipse also. ऐसे भी कुछ हो सकता है. Yes, ऐसे भी कुछ हो सकता है. Okay. So guiding curve may be anything, and from there we can get the cone. And the cone is not only right circular cone. There are different types of cones. Huh? Then see, suppose I have a cone like this. Then this point, the single point, that is known as vertex. This is known as guiding curve. Any line from guiding curve, any line from guiding curve up to vertex. This should be single point. Huh? Any line from guiding curve to the vertex, straight line, that is known as generator. If we rotate this line about the generator, about the guiding curve like this, then it will generate the whole cone. So line from guiding curve to vertex is known as generator. Okay, so in सबको लिखना है हमें. So before that we'll trace few curves, few cones, y curves. Okay, yes. So say this is the guiding curve. ऐसे कुछ भी हो सकता है guiding curve, and then I have a single point over here. Okay, let me join them. So let me rotate it. So these are all generators, huh? All these are generators. All these are generators. All these are generators. All these. यहाँ से भी लेना है, and so on. I'm not showing that. So this is guiding curve. Guiding curve. This is known as vertex. And this is known as generator. Now write down. Cone is a surface generated by a straight line. Passing through a fixed point, that is vertex, and given curve. Okay, fixed point is known as, what is the name of the fixed point? Vertex. Given curve is known as काय गरज पडली? अच्छा, काय निलेशला पाठवायचं ना? And a line, सर एकात COPO मॅपिंग आहे, 88B आहे, दुसऱ्यामध्ये ते ट्युटोरियलचं काय काय असते ना ते सगळं आहे, आणि तिसऱ्यामध्ये काय रुब्रिक्स नाही, त्याच्यात रुब्रिक्सची फाईल वेगळी आहे. रुब्रिक्सची फाईल पाहिजे हा एकाच क्वेश्चन पेपर नसले तर ती इथं आहे, ठीक आहे. आणि सॉफ्ट कॉपी अपलोड केलेली आहे, आणि एक ARM चं तयार केलेलं आहे पण त्याच्यावर कन्से मॅडमची साईन नाही, त्यामुळे ते केलं नाही म्हणून. ARM चे ते MOM असतं ते, ठीक आहे. The curve is known as guiding curve, and a line from vertex to guiding curve is known as generator. Is known as generator. Okay, so we understood what generator and all those things. Few things we want to write. Chalo, right now. Vertex at origin. These things may be asked for the online exam, therefore we are writing. Right. Equation of cone having vertex at origin is. Achha, what will happen if vertex is at origin? The equation will be free from the absolute constant. Absolute constant आप समझते ना, right? So ax square constant तो है, but this is not absolute constant, x square है ना, therefore okay, plus by square plus cz square. So coefficient of x square, y square, z square, they are not same, huh? They are same in case of sphere, but in case of cone they are not same. Plus 2f yz plus 2g xz plus 2h xy equal to 0. क्या है ये? It is it homogeneous equation? Homogeneous equation you understand na? We studied that in partial differential equation, as well as we studied that in the unit number 1 differential equation also, homogeneous differential equation. What is homogeneous equation? Degree of every term should be same. See the degree of first term, second term, and every term, it is 2. Okay, so it is homogeneous equation in x, y, z of degree 2. Okay, so every homogeneous equation in x, y, z of degree 2 is a equation of cone whose vertex is at origin. Getting okay? चलो next page पे जाते हैं. 38. Please change the page. General equation of cone. Right, general equation is at the end you have to tell me, is it possible that this is equation of sphere also? or what are the conditions so that it will be equation of sphere? Yes, this is the general equation of cone. So you might have understood that we have considered all possible terms in xyz up to degree 2. There are all the possible terms of degree 2, x square, y square, z square, then xy, yz, zx. All the terms in degree 1, x, y, z, and the constant term. Okay, so this is general equation of the cone. Is it possible that it is equation of sphere, or what are the conditions so that it will be equation of sphere? Anyone? ये इक्वेशन व्हेन इट विल बी इक्वेशन ऑफ स्फीयर कोई बता सकता है? अरे बताओ. Nothing difficult.
FGH 0.
One, the a equal to b equal to c होना चाहिए, है ना? The coefficient of x square, y square, z square should be equal, as well as there should not be yz, zx and xy term. That is f equal to g equal to h equal to 0. f0, g0, h0 and abc should be equal. Okay, इसको याद रखो आप. Okay, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. चलो हाँ
लेक्चर ते संपवणार
क्या
सर म्हणतात लवकर या सुरू करूया 3 वेळेस पाहिजे तसे सर ते आम्ही सर नसतील
मग करू स्टार्ट. थांबू का लेक्चर?
5 मिनिटं किती मिनिटं राहिले
आणि राहिले 10 मिनिटं. ठीक आहे 5 मिनिटात संपत. एक छोटं इक्वेशन घेतो संपू.
चालेल
काल लगेच संपू.
शेअर करू लिंक वगैरे मी शेअर करतो
हां.
बाकीचे जागा करतो
चालेल.
जॉइन करायला होतं
डन
सर्वांना
डन.
समावेश सुट्टी पाठवतो.
चालेल राईट. नेक्स्ट राईट सर्क्युलर कोन. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. राइट सर्क्युलर कोन. लिख दिया आपने? चलो डेफिनेशन लिखते हैं. पहले डायग्राम ड्रॉ करता हूं. This is the right circular cone. Okay, so here the guiding curve is a circle. Okay, this is the circle, and then we have point over here. Then let me join the point. उसको मुझे join करने दीजिए. So it is like ice cream cone now. Okay, and then this is known as axis of the cone, the line which is passing exactly from the center of cone, that is known as axis. This is as usual vertex. This is generator. This is axis. This is guiding curve. Actually, guiding curve is not required here. We'll understand why it is not required. Right circular cone is a surface. It is a surface generated. Spelling I think wrong. Check it. By straight line passing through a fixed point and making, very important, constant angle with a line passing through center of cone. यानी axis है ये. Line which is passing through the center of cone, that is axis. So generator makes what? Constant angle, huh? So whatever the generator, the angle will be same only, constant only, huh? नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मैं आपको कौन दिखाता हूँ. मॉडल उसका है ना. नेक्स्ट आई शो दैट इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. हाँ, टाइम भी मुझे कंटिन्यू करने दीजिए. ओके, सरड़ा द राइट द रोटेटिंग लाइन is known as generator. Okay, the line passing through center of cone is known as axis of cone, and the constant angle, the angle between generator and axis, constant angle is known as semi vertical angle. ओके चलो अभी क्या करना है, यहाँ पे रुकते हैं और नेक्स्ट लेक्चर विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वी कैन फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ राइट सर्कुलर कोन एंड विल गो थ्रू फ्यू एग्जांपल्स. ओके, थैंक यू. लेट मी टेक द अटेंडेंस. कहाँ पे अटेंडेंस है? यहाँ पे है. कितने लोग हैं अभी? और वो जर्मन, फिर वो जो का जापानीज वगैरह लैंग्वेज चल रहा है, कुछ वर्कशॉप चल रहा है. आर यू अटेंडिंग देम? फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिल रहा है, उसके लिए काफी पैसा लगाना पड़ता है आपको बाहर यदि जाएंगे तो आप. तो यू अंडरस्टैंड इट्स इम्पोर्टेंस. इंग्लिश फिर जो यूपीएससी का जो लेक्चर चल रहा है उसको आप जस्ट अटेंड करो. यूजुअली ये होता है कि व्हेनेवर द थिंग्स आर गिवन फ्रीली ना, नो वन अंडरस्टैंड इट्स इम्पोर्टेंस. Okay, you can leave. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
थैंक यू सर.
Okay, चलो.